Good morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our what sold video every 2 or 3 days now, it seems. You know, when I only sell 4 postcards for 30 bucks, it's not really worth doing a video. So I'll combine them if I have bad days. So as you can see on the screen, this is from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 20 orders, $245. Over on Airplane Cards, pretty good day over there, a couple days. Same time period, 6 orders, $164. Sold several 8x10 photos for $25 each. So good day over there, or a good couple days over there. A little over 410 for those 3 days. So really good. Let's go ahead and get into what sold. Again, haven't listed in a thing really in over 3 months. Haven't done any end list yet. I think it'll be coming up here very soon, maybe this weekend, not sure. But anyway, let's get into it. This is Carlsbad, California, dining room, Carlsbad Hotel, interior, real photo, $10 on a best offer. Next, Ohio, Germantown, West Market Street, 1908, published by Pierce. Oof, that red background. What the hell I was thinking. It's been up for probably 8+ years. $5 on a best offer. Next, Watch Hill, Rhode Island, view of bathing beach and hotels. $5.50 on a best offer. And next, Lambertville, New Jersey, Washington headquarters. 1940s, I think. $9.39 for that one. Same person bought this Lambertville pre-20s. Peep through the trees along the Delaware River. Another card that's been up for probably 8+ years. Could be up to 10, who knows. $6.99 for that one. This is an advertising. Royal Fence advertising card, 1911, American Steel Wire Company. And that's sold for $10.99. Next, World War II era busy soldiers correspondence card, target practice. Soldiers information on the back, $6.99 for that card. Texas, Bracketville, Alamo Village roadside tourist attraction. Is this Route 66? No, Highway 90. So $5 for that one. Next, Tucson, Arizona, Old San Xavier Mission, real photo. And that sold for $14.99. Wakefield, New Hampshire, South Shore, Great East Lake, real photo. And that sold for $12.99. Next, Alabama, Riverview, Riverdale Mill Division, West Point Manufacturing Company. And that sold for $5.50 on a best offer. Next, Seashell Border Souvenir Greetings from Petersburg, Pennsylvania. No idea where Petersburg, Pennsylvania is. I paid 30 cents for that card. $10.99. Swatara Township Department Store Fire Truck, Pennsylvania. I've talked about these before. I have many copies of each of these cards. And I think this person bought 2 for $3.99 each. Thanksgiving Day Greetings, Boy Pilgrim Carrying Pumpkin, 1910s. $4. Next, Petersburg, Virginia, Boulevard Home, another card that's been up for 8+ years. $6. St. Patrick's Day, My Own Little Colleen Girl, Clover. I don't know what that saying means, some old-timey saying. Sold for $6. Same buyer bought the next 4 or 5 or 6. Native Americana, Indian Woman, Schellinger, I don't know, brothers. Anyway, that's usually right there. It's usually written diagonally. If this was hand-colored, I'd probably ask $20+. Maybe, yeah, $20, $25 easily if it was colored, hand tinted. But as it is, I took $15 for this. Same buyer bought this Valentine's, to my Valentine woman mailing envelope, Cupid hiding. I think it was $6. Yeah, $6 for that one. They bought this one, to my Valentine woman sitting on stump, Cupid. And that one went for $5.50 on a best offer. They also bought this one. So you can kind of see that they like these kind of like sketch cards of women and Valentine's Day. $4 for that one. Another kind of a sketch card, Valentine's sketch of woman, pre-1907. There is an artist sign, looks like right there, but hard to make out. $5 for that one. Valentine's Forget-Me-Not woman on steps, 1910. Has a winch back, but it's not a winch card. $5.50 for that card. They bought this one. To my Valentine, Cupid aiming arrow at man, woman. Van Fleet or V Fleet or something like that. The guy who does the George Washington cards did this one. $7. Crown Point Reservation, New York, public campsite, 1930s. Sold for $5. Long Beach, California, aerial view or air view of city showing auditorium and Rainbow Pier. I don't think that Rainbow Pier or this thing is I don't think it's there anymore. I could be wrong. Another old card, 8, 9, 10 years easily. $5.99. So probably in another 10 years the other one will sell. Bangor, Maine, seen at Scotts Lake, 1920s, real photo. Took, is it $42.99? I paid 50 cents for it. $42.99. I thought it was cheaper. Maybe it wasn't. But yeah, $42.99. I paid 50 cents for that card. So that's the best sell of the day. I think that's it. Postcard shows this weekend coming up. You got one in Michigan, Albany, New York, Kent, Washington, Eagan, Minnesota is the next week. This is the Land O'Lakes paper, Postcard and Paper Show, and then Ohio and Charlotte, North Carolina. So a lot coming up over the next couple weeks, so go out and hit a postcard show. I don't think you'll regret it. Oh, there was a new thing. I got immediate payments last night on some of these offers. I can't remember which cards they were, but it looks like eBay has finally, at least for me, rolled out that the buyer making the offer has pre-chosen a payment method that if I accept the offer, I will get immediate payment, which was pretty awesome. So they just finally rolled that out. I don't know if anybody else is seeing that, but it's nice to know that you're going to accept an offer and get immediate payment. So I have a WhatNot nooner today. I have some preloaded lots ready to go in the Buy It Now under the store. I put in like 15 cursed cards at about the price that they've been going for on auctions, so we don't have to sit through cursed auctions if you don't want to. You can just do Buy It Now. And today will be the last nooner for a while. I may do pop-ups here and there. I just need to kind of give myself a little bit of break. I've been really hitting WhatNot hard and need to kind of catch up with some other stuff. So I think taking Thursdays off for right now. They may come back, but for right now we're gonna let them slide. So I'll stick with Tuesdays and Saturdays. And always leave me your requests. I'm doing my best to fill requests as I find them. And yeah, that's it. I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll talk to you in another day or two. Have a good day.